What's the meaning of arborist? Arborist. Arborist.
Arborist. Arborist. An arborist is a professional who specializes in the care and maintenance of trees. They are trained in tree physiology, risk assessment, and pruning techniques to ensure the health and safety of trees. Arborists also diagnose and treat tree diseases and pests, select appropriate species for planting, and provide guidance on tree removal. They work in a variety of settings, including residential, commercial, and government properties. Arborists play an important role in preserving and enhancing the natural environment and promoting sustainable development.